Good morning everyone. Bonjour tout le monde. Je veux dire c'est matin lié. C'est matin m'a recordé. Bonjour, bonsoir, ça dépend de qui côté vous regardez. Today guys we're going to make a vegan smoothie. Yeah, welcome my vegan. Welcome to Alisa Kitchen. We'll make vegan. So we're gonna need date. N'a besoin we're gonna need coconut water, chia seed, flaxseed, daily fiber. You can use any kind of fiber you use. I use this kind. You're gonna need a NutriBullet. If you don't have a NutriBullet, you can always use a blender. I advise you to get one if you don't have one. It's the best one. So ti moun jodi an nou pral fè yon ti bagay, yon ti breakfast ki vreman fasil. Da di an nou son jus, ok? So nan bezwen yon banan, yon fig banan, nap kale li, nap lage li nan blender nou. Nan bezwen peach. Par contre, ki jore le peach chan krel me zan yi padonem. Detoum, par contre, ki jore le non lan, li te koum ta do tamarin. Li te koum tamarin, li sechel, but li douce. So ap mette li nan jiyan, pa mette sucre, pa mette sirop miel pase de lo kokoye avec dit lan getan fait smoothie en douce, okay guys? If you're gonna add your date, your coconut water, you don't need to add any syrup, honey, or anything because it will make it sweet. The banana is sweet, the date is sweet, peach is sweet, coconut water is sweet. So there is no reason for you to add sugar in your drink, okay? This is healthy. We're doing vegan stuff, no dairy, nothing in there. So welcome my vegan. So I always try to bring something for my vegan people. I don't want to always, every day I'm making, all this stuff. But you guys are welcome to my channel. You guys are really appreciate. You guys not just a number. Each one of you count for me. Every one of you count. So I always try to make something vegan, something healthy, so you guys can be a part of the family, right? So I want you guys to feel welcome, okay? If you have any question, you can leave them in the comment below. I'm adding my my chia seed now, my chia seed, and I'm gonna add my flax seed. This is a good source of fiber. Chia seed is a good source of protein. Like, when you're vegan, you don't really eat that meat or dairy stuff to get your protein. But when you can even add chia seed on your salad, on your whatever, stuff. Your smoothie, very good. I just add my daily fiber in there, and I'm gonna add my coconut water. This one is Cocoa Vita Press. It's like, I think it has the coconut flesh in it. That tastes so good. So good, guys. It's like drinking the coconut and eating the flesh at the same time. Now I'm gonna add my coconut water. Ti moun koun ap mette lo kokoye, mwen te getan mette tout sa mde montre nou la. Mwen getan fe smoothie 3 fois. That was the last one. Guys, I already mixed smoothie 3 times with this bottle. So that was the last serving of it. This is very good, very tasty. I even drink it like that. It's so good. So what they did, they mixed the coconut flesh with the water. Kind of like, it is so good. If you ever try that, you can go to Walmart, try that. It's very good. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add. I think I already add the date. I'm gonna blend everything together. Add some ice. Yeah, I forgot. It's optional. Like some people don't like cold stuff in the morning. It's okay. So me, I'm gonna add my ice because I want it. I want some ice in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend everything together, and you have your vegan smoothie ready to go. So ti moun kon do apre so pal travay, wap soti, getan fè ti smoothie sa ou boil, li gen protein la dan, li gen preske pon bon ti kou vitamine la dan. Sel nan matin, ok? It's très simple, pas besoin pile bagay pour faire. Some of the stuff, guys, you guys already have them in your fridge, so why not go ahead and make a nice vegan smoothie, right? I'm blend it tout bagay yo, and then it's gonna ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Merci tout moun qui a regardé channel là, qui nan famille, moi vraiment apprécié nous. Et si toutefois pour abonner avec channel là, va oublier faire ça, peser petite cloche là, et whenever nous getan Peut-être cloche là sur nous laguer une vidéo pour qu'à guetter premier monde qui voit vidéo c'est vous, OK? So pas oublier dans le moment où nous est là, nous tous connaissons qui ça a passé pays nous, problème, nous perdre président, nous tout le monde connaît. So moi que nous dans la prière, mon Haïti m'a prié pour nous et me connaît bon Dieu a porter support pour aider nous à faire un route pour nous. Non, pas plaguer nous dans prière c'est clé, you know. So que on la prière en nous kembe là, bon Dieu il a un plan pour nous. OK. So, ti moun, moi bien contenté avec nous aujourd'hui pour me te montrer nous qui j'ai pour nous fêter. Juste ça. Moi, allez, tout le monde passer une bonne journée dans nos grands maîtres là. I hope you guys have a great day. So, see you on the next, video. Passez une bonne journée tout le monde. M'allez, pas oublier faire smoothie hein, et puis, là, on a une autre vidéo cuisine encore. Bye bye.